New trends in English Reader 5.
One day at school, a tale we read, a tale that was quite true, they said. And when I walk or play or sit to eat, I often think of it. Once lived a king in times of old, who laid aside his crown of gold, and left his throne and royal state to see his subjects, poor or great. In Sadhu's robe of saffron hue, he wandered all the city through, or, robed in merchantman's attire, he watched the seller and the buyer. He saw the cheat outwit the fool, the wretch who was a villain's tool. He heard the pleading cry that rose from slaves fast shackled by their woes. He saw the mother who would give her life blood that her child might live, the needy beggar who would speed to help a friend in greater need. He saw that love could conquer all and make a palace of a stall. Yea, as he passed through street and mart, he felt the city's throbbing heart. Then back he went, and from that time he ruled with knowledge more sublime, with milder justice, though more keen, but scarce one knew where he had been.
This tale we read, and you will see what made a wonder world for me. For now I feel at work or play, a king may meet me any day.
Read the words and click on the correct homophones. Wow, very good! Sorry, that's not the correct answer. Please try again. Wow, very good!